Welcome back to Blockchain Pill. My name is Alex, and last week has been one of the best weeks to be an ICP investor because ICP is one of the biggest gainers in the crypto space. And if we look here, ICP in the past week is up 36%. Until last week, we've been in a downwards movement, and the vibes on the ICP crypto Twitter were getting worse and worse. People were, getting more aggressive, irritable, upset, and it's for a good reason, because you are invested in a token that is better than anything else on the market. And for some reason, the price does not follow the technology. It is true until it is not true anymore. And the price will start to reflect the innovations that ICP brings to the crypto space. We're currently sitting at around $10, and we're up massively from just under $6, which I mentioned in the last episode was a massive, maybe a generational buying opportunity for ICP. And we are up almost 2x. We're up 70% from the bottom. So congratulations to everybody who were not scared by the price movement and managed to, load their bags and increase their ICP positions, or why not become ICP investors themselves. And although we are down from the old local high of $20, we're looking good, and the momentum is looking pretty good for ICP to go and break out to new local highs. And the reason why I think it is pumping, more and more people are starting to realize that ICP is actually developing something that no other crypto project is developing, and we're slowly starting to see real use for the ICP tech. We have a new AI running on the Internet Computer Protocol, and it is actually a face recognition AI running fully on chain. And let's have a look at a bit of the video and let's see what Dominic has to say.
Hello everyone. Today, I'm incredibly excited and proud to announce that the Cyclotron AI enablement milestone has been successfully completed. Without further ado, let's take a look at what this makes possible. Today, we're going to look at facial recognition using a fully decentralized smart contract running on the Internet Computer blockchain.
And what happens next is Dominic introduces his face into the AI and then runs the test again. And now the AI recognizes that he is indeed Dominic Williams. And this is a successful test of another AI existing on the ICP blockchain, which is huge news because there is no other blockchain that can even come close to what ICP is capable of. And there is another interview that Dominic gave during the Ethereum community conference last week. And here he's talking about how hosting your AI on the Internet Computer Protocol in the future, ICP will be able to host full LLMs on the blockchain. In this particular interview, he goes over the benefits of doing just that. And the benefits are that by hosting it on-chain, the AI will be immune to cyber attacks, tamper-proof, and unstoppable. And this is only possible on the Internet Computer Protocols. Of course, it's not going to be as fast as an AI that runs, on GPU farms that are centralized. But unfortunately, those centralized AIs have the risk of being hacked. And the example that he gives in this video, for example, if you have a law firm, you have your local LLM running on the blockchain, you don't care that it's a little bit slower. What you care is that it's unhackable and the data of your clients cannot be stolen. This is a very interesting short interview where Dominic goes into that.
Imagine a law firm. The law firm wants to feed this AI with all this case law, all their previous legal filings, interactions with clients, and they want to use this as a very powerful tool when they're working out case strategy and so on. But imagine, if that was running on centralized tech, like on Amazon Web Services, it could get hacked. And if it got hacked, all their clients' most confidential, secret information would make it into the public domain in an absolute catastrophe. So it has to be hack-proof.
So that's a big problem, and that problem is solved by hosting your LLM or your AI on the Internet Computer Protocol. So people are starting to realize that the ICP technology is something that cannot be matched by any other project currently building in crypto. Let's see what else the Dfinity team was up to. And last week they were at Chain Fusion Day at the Ethereum Community Conference, and this is the video of what went down. They also hosted a Chain Fusion Day, a separate event during Ethereum Community Conference. So for the people that attended the event and wanted to get in touch with the Dfinity Foundation and with other ICP investors, this was the place to be. And Dominic Williams also had a keynote during Ethereum Community Conference where he talked about ICP and Ethereum and how they can work together to make them both better. And if you missed Dfinity at ETHCC, do not worry, because you'll have a chance to meet them again during Bitcoin Nashville. They will also host a Chain Fusion Day, but this time it's going to be focused more on Bitcoin. Obviously, because Bitcoin Nashville is a conference dedicated to Bitcoin. I would assume it is actually happening in Nashville. So if you're there on July 26th, just know that the Dfinity Foundation is also hosting a Chain Fusion Day where you can go and meet the team and talk to the team and meet other ICP ecosystem members. Now let's have a look at what some of our favorite SNS projects have been up to. And finally, Dragginz has broken the silence. Actually, this is from 2 weeks ago. I don't know how we missed this. And they made a tweet saying they're sorry for the radio silence for so long. And they have just completed a pretty major recode and optimization pass. But more recently, they released those sneak peeks and they say that the cooking UI has been overhauled. Now it's a lot cleaner and more user-friendly. There are also notifications when a recipe is complete, so you can go adventuring and still keep track of what you're cooking. Your cooking locations appear on a game compass, which makes finding your finished dishes much easier, and I think this looks very beautiful. This is one of the games that the entire ICP community is looking forward to, and I think this is going to be one of the games that is going to get a lot of eyes on the internet computer ecosystem, because everybody is going to want to play this game when and if it comes out. Moving on, we have the first SNS projects to ever get listed on a centralized exchange, and of course, it's actually one of the first SNS projects that launched. I'm talking about OpenChat. The chat token will be listed on 2 exchanges, LBank and BitTrue, beginning on August 1st. And I think this will open the gates for other SNS projects to also get listed on those exchanges, and why not, other exchanges as well. And this in turn will bring the much needed liquidity to the ICP ecosystem, because many of the SNS projects have this problem of not having enough liquidity, and by getting listed on centralized exchanges, that problem will be fixed. So very great job, OpenChat, and I'm looking forward to see other SNS projects follow suit and get listed on SEXs as well. We have an update from OpenFPL, another SNS project. They announced that a month remains until the Premier League starts again. Their OpenChat community has reached over 1,800 members, which is not a small number. The podcast studio is set up and the first video will be recorded this Friday, which is actually in a couple of days. The studio room looks amazing. It's not easy to do podcasts, and if this is going to be something that OpenFPL is gonna do constantly, I congratulate them, and I'm looking forward to seeing the first episode. There is a new exciting project that has joined the ICP ecosystem, and this is called ICVC. And they say that they back founders building on the internet. This is the video introducing ICVC, and this is Luke Dugdale, the founder of Funded and the CEO of Plug Wallet.
Hi everyone, my name is Luke, and today I want to introduce you all to ICVC, a community-governed venture capital fund built on the internet computer. One of the biggest problems on the ICP ecosystem right now is that companies don't have access to early venture funding. It means that they have trouble scaling their products before they launch their SNS and decentralize. That's a problem because they tend to launch their decentralization process quite early. And we want to help them improve their products and scale their products.
Listen, this is actually very true. Most of the SNSs that launched, some of them don't even have a product. They don't have a community, they don't have a working product, they don't have something that they can scale. And instead of using the SNS decentralization tools to decentralize, to give away the platform, they're using it in order to raise funds to be able to then develop the platform or the product that they have. And that's a problem. I'm looking forward to see how ICVC is going to help that. I think that ICVC is going to be a decentralized venture capital where they're going to launch their own SNS, and then the community can decide and vote on what projects they want to fund and buy into, which is an interesting idea, and I'm looking forward to get more information on this. Maybe I'll even have Luke on the show to tell us more if you guys are interested. Let me know in the comment section below if you want to learn more about this. And finally, one of my favorite projects on the Internet Computer Protocol looks like it's gonna make a comeback, and of course I'm talking about Taggr. Jerry Banfield released a video called "I bought 739 Taggr on ICP and I'll be a crypto millionaire." Since Jerry Banfield posted this video, the price of Taggr almost doubled. Now it's down a bit, but it's sitting at around $6. And Jerry Banfield, when he bought, he says in a video it was at around $2.60. And then he goes into how Taggr works and all the things that you are able to do on Taggr. It's a super interesting platform, and it has been running for the past 3 years almost flawlessly. If you guys are interested to learn more about Taggr, let me know in the comment section below, and I'll try to get some Taggr DAO members, to maybe come on a podcast and tell us what has changed about Taggr, because a lot has changed. And the videos that we did 6 months ago, they need to be updated. So let me know if you're interested in that in the comment section below, and we'll do just that. And yeah, with that, we're done. It's been an exciting week for the Internet Computer Protocol. ICP holders are some of the happiest crypto holders right now. Thank you very much for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.